So first I'm spinning the motor over to align the timing marks, which is this dot on the crankshaft pulley with the line on the side of the crankcase. I then mark out the positions with a paint pen. This just makes it easier to realign everything when going back together. With the engine timed up, now we can work on removing the belts. First start by loosening the timing belt tensioners. So now would be a good time to replace your belt tensioners depending on the age and mileage of the bike. These are quite expensive actually from Ducati, so I'm just giving these a quick visual inspection and they don't feel or look or sound too rough, so I chose to reuse the adjusting belt tensioners. The fixed belt tensioner rollers did feel a bit more worse for wear, and they weren't too expensive from Ducati, so I chose to replace these. Don't worry too much if once your belt is on, the timing marks that you've made are slightly off, because once you tighten the belt tensioner, that will rotate the camshaft and it will line back up after. To check your belt is tensioned correctly, the Ducati dealerships typically use a sound frequency test. Otherwise, what I'm doing here is an old school method where you fit a 5mm Allen key between the roller bearing and the belt, but not a 6mm, and that usually indicates it's tensioned correctly. To remove the air filter, remove these 3 screws for the cover at the top of the airbox. Moving on now to the fuel filter, which is located in the fuel pump sender unit underneath the fuel tank. You'll need to remove these screws here and pull out the sender unit as a whole to access the fuel filter. The second hose clamp holding this filter on was a crimped fitting, which means you will have to break it to get it off. These hose clamps will need to be replaced when fitting the new filter. Instead of using another one-time use crimped hose clamp, I just decided to replace it with a regular worm drive hose clamp, which will make future maintenance easier. And that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching.